A boy and his dog make a glorious pair. No better friendship is found anywhere, for they talk and they walk, and they run and they play, and they have their deep secrets for many a day. And that boy has a comrade who thinks and who feels, who walks down the road with a dog at his heels. He may go where he will, and his dog will be there. May revel in mud, and his dog will not care. Faithful he'll stay for the slightest command, and bark with delight at the touch of his hand. Oh, he owns a treasure which nobody steals, who walks down the road with a dog at his heels. No other can lure him away from his side. He's proof against riches and stations and pride. Fine dress does not charm him, and flattery's breath is lost on the dog, for he's faithful to death. He sees the great soul which the body conceals. Oh, it's great to be young with a dog at your heels.